How to use Gemini API in VS Code. So as you can see, I have activated my Gemini API and I've asked it to do something for me, and it has done it perfectly fine. So let me show you how you can do this same thing. All that you have to do is simply open Visual Studio Code, and then after that come and then create a folder at your desktop. Okay, so when you create the folder, come and name it how you want it, but I'm going to name mine as a Gemini API demo, just like this. After that, come back to VS Code and then come to File, and then over here come and then click on Open Folder, and then come and select the name or the folder that you just created. Okay, and then come and then click on Select Folder. So over here you see that the folder will be loaded in VS Code just like this. Okay, good. What you have to do now is to make sure that you come here to the top, and then when we have the terminal, come and click on the terminal, then come and click on New Terminal, and then over here you see that the terminal will load right into the folder that we just selected. Okay, and then over here come and check that you have Python installed by typing Python space dash dash version, then you hit enter. Okay, so when you hit enter, to show the version of Python that you have. If you don't have it installed, it will not come. Okay, it will not show any version. So to install it, simply go to Google and then come and type python.org and then hit enter. To bring it right here to the Python website, come here to the downloads and then come and select it. And then from the downloads, you will see the latest version of Python and then you can download it. You also have the option to come to all releases and then select that one. And then from here, you see all the release versions, and then you can come and then select the one that you want and then download it. So after downloading and then installing it, just come here again and then come and then create a Python virtual environment by typing in the exact same thing, just like what I have typed, and then hit enter, and then the Python virtual environment will be created just like this. After that, you have to come and then activate it. Okay, so to activate it, come and then run this prompt. Okay, the exact same script as you can see it right here, and then come and then hit enter. Okay, so when you hit enter, it will be activated. So we have activated our Python virtual environment. Okay, now come and then run the prompt to install Gemini. Okay, by typing in pipe space install space dash u space google dash gen AI space python dash dot. Okay, the exact same thing right here, and then come and then hit enter. So when you hit enter, it is going to install it for you. Okay, so as you can see, it has successfully installed it, but there is an update available. Okay, so you have to update it to the latest version. To do that, come and then highlight the update prompt. Okay, and then copy it by pressing Ctrl+S on your keyboard and come and paste it right here. Okay, so when you paste it, simply hit enter and allow it to update to the latest version. So as you can see, we have successfully updated the pipe to the latest version. Okay, good. Now what we have to do is that, as you can see, we are still within our activated Python environment. Simply come here to the folder, okay, and then come and then click on new file. Okay, so just click on it, and over here come and name this. That is right, the exact same thing. Okay, .e and V. Okay, and then hit enter. And then over here, make sure that you are within this, and then come and then paste in this or type in this. That is Gemini underscore API underscore key equals to your API key. So you are going to put your API key right here. Let me show you how to get your Gemini API key. Just go to Google and then type in Google AI Studio and then hit enter. Okay, so come and then select the official site of Google AI Studio, and it's going to bring you right here. Over here, come and click on the menu. Okay, so when you click on it, you see all the options here, and then come and click on get API key. So when you click on it, over here from the API keys in front of it, you see that you have the option to come and then click on create API key. So come and then click on it, and then from here simply come and then put the mouse inside the search and then come and select Gemini API, and then come and click on create API key. Okay, and that is it. Your API key will be generated for you just like this. Come and click on the copy, and then after copying it, come back to VS Code and then come and then highlight your real API key here and then come and paste it right here, just like this, and then save it. Okay, so we just press Ctrl plus S on your keyboard and save it, and come back here to the folder again, and then come and click on create new file, and come and create this file, that is .get ignore. Okay, the exact same thing, name it the exact same thing. Okay, and then hit enter. The main thing is that it will prevent you from pushing your API key to GitHub should you save your project to GitHub. Okay, and then come and paste in this exact same thing. Okay, that is venv, and then the exact same thing. Pause the video and then type it in. Okay, and then save it. Okay, so after saving it, what you have to do is simply come back here to the folder again, and then come and then click on new file. And now let's create the main Python prompt. Okay, and then name it just like this, that is main.py. Okay, and then hit enter. So it has been created. Okay, and then come and make sure that you have selected it and come and paste in this Python prompt. I have pinned this prompt under the video comment below. Okay, so copy the exact same thing and come and paste it right here. And then over here where we have the simple generation example, the content, you will see that we have quote in quote. I have written something like write a short update, that is 4-line poem about coding in VS Code. So this is where you always edit. Okay, so after pasting it right here, make sure that you save it. Okay, so let me show you how to use it, and then come here to the terminal. From the terminal, come here and then make sure that you are still within your activated Python virtual environment, and come and run this prompt, that is Python space main.py, and then hit enter. Okay, sometimes when you run it the first time it will not run. You might see this error, so it simply means that sometimes your API key is busy, so you have to try again later. Okay, so just wait for some few minutes or seconds, and then come and then run the prompt again. So let's run the prompt again and then hit enter. Okay, and good, as you can see, Gemini has responded. So we have Gemini output right here, and it has done the exact same thing that I asked it. Okay, so if you want to run it again, just come to the main Python prompt. Okay, and from here, that is from the main Python prompt where we have the simple generation example. You see that we have the context here. Okay, this is what you always edit. Okay, so we just highlight it, then you clear it, and then you type in what you want Gemini to do. So let me type in a new thing by asking Gemini, what do Gemini understand by vibe coding, and how useful is it to aspiring developers like you and me. Okay, and then come and then make sure that you save it every time that you edit it. Okay, so anytime that you edit it, just save it. Okay, and then simply come here and then come and run the prompt again, that is the exact same prompt, and then hit enter. So Gemini is going to perform the action for you. So as you can see, we have Gemini output and it has done it. So this is how to use your Gemini API. Like the video and then see you in my next video.